A tie is a neckwear accessory worn for formal or professional occasions. Typically made of silk or other materials, it is worn around the neck and knotted in various styles. Ties come in different colors, patterns, and lengths, adding a touch of style to dress shirts and suits. Here's a simplified, 4-step guide to tying a tie using the 4-in-hand knot. Step 1. Cross the wide end over the narrow end. Step 2. Wrap the wide end around the narrow end. Step 3. Bring the wide end up and pass it through the loop around your neck. Step 4. Hold the narrow end and slide the knot up, adjusting as needed. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. Additionally, the length of the tie may vary depending on your height and the length of your torso, so you may need to experiment to find the right length for you.